Please read important safety information before watching this video. Replace the sample tubing with the same length tubing used previously. The minimum length is 12 inches or 30 centimeters. Make sure that the tubing is flush with the bottom of the fitting to eliminate contamination and peak broadening. To attach the Turbo V source, hold the source with two hands, align the guide pins with the interface bulkhead alignment holes, and push the source into place. Turn the black latch handles down to lock the source in place.